People often ask me what it's like to work on a farm during Thailand's rainy season. The truth is, rain changes everything. Today I plan to build a charcoal storage rack, but the ground was too wet. I couldn't cut grass. I couldn't burn charcoal. I couldn't dig. On rainy days, there are only a few jobs I can do. Harvesting old water lily leaves or thinning water lily rhizomes. But today I didn't even bring a change of clothes. So instead, I just sat here and wait for the rain to pass. That's farm life.